Happy birthday, John!
Your love.
I love you, man.
I love you.
Kape tayo. Fish ba naman ba eh? This one.
But something that
Yes!
something that both
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Jual ko ilaw!
Ano wish mo? Wish! Alam mo na.
Wish 107.
107.4.
What's your wish? What's your wish? Oh, shit.
love you guys.
Happy birthday, John! Happy birthday!
But something that
Yes!
something that both
Happy birthday, John!
Your love.
I love you, man.
I love you.
Kape tayo. Fish ba naman ba eh? This one. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Jual ko ilaw!
Ano wish mo? Wish. Alam mo na.
Wish 107.
107.4.
love you guys.
Your love.
I love you, man.
I love you.
Kape tayo. Fish ba naman ba eh? This one.
Well, I just want to thank everyone who came tonight. The kids, Ina, Moira, Kyla, Yuan, Anichka, and their better halves, not better halves, better halves. And of course, my closest friends, Joel, Connie, Leo, Benji, Alfred, Redmond, Christian, Anthony, Aliyah, and my nephew, Zach. And yeah, that's it. That's my closest to my heart. So, thank you guys. Thank you guys. Oh, sila. Curious ko ng anak ko. Sabi niya, oh? No. But yeah, I thank you guys for coming over, taking time to Rich, easy lang, Rich. I love you, DJ. So, actually, si Daniel Padilla pala, si Kyla. Isulat ko na sa tinatik bukas siya at saka siya, ano pa ba?
Tayo na lungkot.
And yun lang po, I thank God. I really want to honor God, Jesus Christ, for my birthday today, Lord. Thank you po. Yes po, Lord. Kayo na po bahala sa akin. Minsan po, talagang kolokoy lang tayo, but yes, you're right, Fred. They will be done, and you know, just to let you know, guys, I'm back with the Lord right now. I love Him. I truly love Him. I honor Him. I glorify Him. And I'll be nothing without Him. And I want to thank my assistant, Josie. Siyempre kumahal yan. Kahit araw-araw, inaaway ko yan. Pero mahal ako yan, mahal na mahal ko yan.